Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver latest version 26 on Fedora Linux 44. Then we will connect PostgreSQL and MySQL from the DBeaver. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Fedora Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to DBeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. See here, DBeaver community is a free open source database management tool recommended for personal projects. Manage and explore SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. And see here we have the two types of versions, Community and Pro. Pro is the commercial version. In this video we are going to install Community edition. Then click on download. See here the latest release is 26.0.5. For Fedora Linux we have to download this RPM package. Click on it to download. See, download started and its size is 120 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package. Meantime, open terminal. See, download completed. Now go to downloads directly, cd downloads ls. See here we have the DBeaver RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh DBeaver. Then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now open DBeaver. Click on DBeaver. CE means Community Edition. Close this one. I don't want to create sample databases. No. See, we got the DBeaver 26. Okay, now we will connect both PostgreSQL and MySQL server. Go to this database or click on this plugin button. Click on database, then select new database connection. I have already installed PostgreSQL and MySQL on the Fedora Linux 44. Okay, if you haven't, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install. Okay. PostgreSQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Database name, port number 5432, and username Postgres. Then provide the password. Not only this Postgres, you can use the user whatever is there on this host. Then click on text connection. Click on download for driver files. See, successfully connected to PostgreSQL server 18.4. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand databases. See here we have the data's bank. If you want to run queries against this database, right click, SQL editor, then open SQL console. I have the table customer in this database. So run the query, select star from customer. Then select the query and click on this execute button. See, you got the output. Okay, now we will connect MySQL server. Click on this database again, new database connection. Select MySQL, then click on next. Localhost is fine because MySQL is installed on this one. Port number 3306. Then database, I have bank. Then username root. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on text connection. Click on download for driver files. Public key retrieval is not allowed. Click on OK. Go to driver properties. Then allow public key retrieval is false. Change it to true. Then click on test connection. See, successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4.9. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now expand connection. Expand databases. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. So in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver latest version 26.0.5 on Fedora Linux 44. Then we have seen how to connect both MySQL and PostgreSQL from the DBeaver. Okay, for more database tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.